So on this question, they say simplify, which is 2.2.1, which is worth 4 marks, guys. This is a lot of marks. We need to grab all of them. So if you can pay attention to this question, it needs you to have a lot of, know a lot about factorizing by grouping, factorization by difference of two squares, difference of cubes, factorizing a trinomial, and factorizing by taking out a common factor. You need to know that, in order for you to understand. So if you don't know that, please, I've made the videos in this place. You can go and check them. Here, I'm not going to details on how to take out the common factor and all those kind of stuff. I'm just going to focus on the question. So if this is your first time, please check out those kinds of videos. It's going to help you teach the basics on that. So without wasting more of your time, let's just get into the question. So what we need to do here, we need to first change this division into multiplication, So here we're going to have m squared minus 64 divided by m squared plus 8m, and then we're going to put multiplication. When we put multiplication instead of division, it means that we're going to reciprocate. So the m is going to be a numerator, and m minus 8 now is going to be a denominator. Notice what we have done. When we change division to multiplication, this fraction, it also have to change. We call that the reciprocal, in mathematics. If you don't understand that, go and watch our previous videos. You are going to understand what happened there. So what we need to do next, if you can pay attention to the numerator here, this is a difference of two squares. So difference of two squares, how do we deal with difference of two squares? We're going to open two brackets, which is like this, and we look for the square root of m, which is m, and the square root of 64, which is 8 and 8. Then I'm going to have minus and plus, we're going to divide this, and our denominator here is m squared plus 8m. So this one, we're going to take out the common factor, which is m, and then we're going to be left with am plus 8, So you're going to have multiplication m and m minus 8, So if you pay attention here, there's something that cancel out here. This is, no, not this one, actually. This one, it cancel out with this. So here we're going to be left with what? We're going to be left with m minus 8 divided by m, multiply by m over m minus 8. I saw a lot of students making a mistake here, cancelling this one with this one or this one with this one. No, you don't cancel. You cancel only when there is what? You only cancel when there is a multiplication like on that previous one, So what we're going to do next here, we know multiplication. What does multiplication do? It says that a denominator, it has to be multiplied with a denominator, and the numerator has to be multiplied with a numerator. So here, this m minus 8, it has to be multiplied with what? With m. And then the numerator is going to be m over m minus 8. So if you pay attention here, you can see all these things that are here cancel out. This cancel with this, and this cancel with this. And our answer here is going to be what? It's going to be 1. So this is how we solve this 4 marks question.